Street and my money me a free. Roll up some herb, smoke up some trees. Me I enjoy myself, me I give a yo.
Welcome. Boom, boom, boom. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Guyana, what is going on? What is going on? Yeah, boy, back in effect. Back in effect for Guyana people. You don't know, we're going to two Guyana videos today. Two of them. This is the first one. Right now we have Brown Star. One day. People, you see that song here? That song here are for the youth them, the ghetto youth them. That song here is an uplift song. That song here for motivate the youth them. The artists reach out to me and dog and say, yo, take a listen. Drop a reaction. The people, I want to hear that song here. Like up the video, support the artist. I want to like the video, say after you watch a reaction boss video people. I want to go watch the video again, click the link to the original song. Go over there, go watch him song, listen to the man song, and make you know the reaction boss sitting in the back over there. So right now I'm hoping to get something bad from the reaction. I'm going to have a bad 5-star reaction today. You see me, I said, the hotel over here, the hotel is a 5-star hotel. I take care of the good body girl them come. You see me, I say, on reaction boss, I take care of the good body girl them come. Because a 5-star hotel over here, so. And I look at 2-star hotel, I care and I go back to girl go. 5-star hotel. Be a sexy body girl, I care over the hotel here. You see me, I say, so subscribe to the channel right now. Comment the fire emoji to see your comment in the next video that I post right over there, so. You don't know chopping up. Follow me on Instagram. Go follow the artist on Instagram. Tell me down below in the description. You see me, I say. And, I'm saying for God, go pre him song after the reaction done. Make him know some me selling over this after the reaction done. Oh, we're going up here. We're going on tune. Watch the people. Watch the people. Watch the people. Watch the people.
I'm Brown Star.
Yeah.
Man a star. Yeah. I know I'ma make it. Make it one day.
Yeah.
Be all of the hard work.
Alright then.
When we put in every
day. I don't know we are putting the hard work. And the thing say, it like it now pay off. Just wait, man. Just go on work. Go on.
Hey, I know I'ma make it. Make it one day.
People, I just tell you now. This is what man say.
When we put in every day. Money man a pray, money man a pray. Step in the street and my money me a pray. Roll up some herb, smoke up some trees. Me a enjoy myself and I give a yo. Remember many days me did broke. No me talented so me never give up.
Yeah,
life sweet life.
I just tell people because the face say money we a pray. People for the past 4 days. For the past 4 days. For the past 4 days. We are 14 hours a day. You see me, I say, run tune.
Make it one day.
Run tune.
Be all of the hard work. When we put in every day. Money man a pray. Money man a pray. Step in the street and my money me a pray. Roll up some herb, smoke up some trees. Me I enjoy myself, me I give a yo. Remember many days me did broke. No me talented so me never give up. Life sweet like honey. Me a hustle for the money and I live up. I know I'ma make it. Make it one day. See all of the hard work. When we put in every day.
Youth, open us to the man. Just believe in yourself and know that I'm gonna make it, dog. You do me I say? You say me some more digging at the after, dog. Me say the man thing very official to dog. Me I say, watch there. Him saying auto generated to YouTube one thing. You see me I say, him have topics. The man have do him work. The man must make it. People. You must make it out there. Everybody in the ghetto feel so when I put in all work and everybody in a see. Let's go and work. Look at me. 5K will start the year with 22K right now and counting. Run tune!
I know I'ma make it. Make it one day. Be all of the hard work. When we put in every day. Me I go and put in the work.
Yeah.
Tight only per snake.
Yeah.
See it now them I am feel the energy. Turn up the bass, yo, me feel bliss. People two-face, so me stay screw-face. Real songs, then me meditate.
Dog, 2-side cutlass. So if you stay screw-face with them, bumbo all day. You see me I say, stay screw-face with them. Don't make them feel so them a win over you. No, screw-face with them, cross, hungry, miserable with them. Run tune.
Them can't me down, can't tie me down. One thing for sure, I know I'ma make it one day. See all the hard work when we put in every day. I know I'ma make it. Make it one day. See all the hard work when we put in every day. Money man a pray, money man a pray. Step in the street and my money me a pray. Roll up some herb.
Bumbucklead song. Every day. Remember I'm telling you, I'm just 14 hours, you know. Differently from YouTube, you know. YouTube don't really pay me no money, because some copywriters don't know, when I bet money from YouTube, you know. Is me I say 14 hours a day for the past 4 days, I'm still a post 2 videos on YouTube, and I want to try make it on YouTube. Who know you gonna make it? Yo, Brown Star, big up yourself. People want me to do. Go over Brown Star channel and go make him know the reaction bar sending over there. So Guyana, support the artist. Everybody who support me, go support the artist. You see me I say, run tune.
Smoke up some trees, me I enjoy myself, me no give a yo. Remember many days me did broke.
Yeah.
No me talented, so me never give up. Life sweet like honey, me a hustle for the money and I live up. I know I'ma make it.
Yeah.
Make it one day.
Okay.
See all of the hard work.
You do.
When we put in every day. I know I'ma make it. Make it one day. See all of the hard work. When we put in every day. I know I'ma make it. Make it one day.
Yourself. Big up yourself. People, I'm saying for go support the artist again. Go over the man channel. Touch the link down below in the description of my video. I got only 2 links there in the description now. Brown Star link to the original song. I want to go click people and go make him know say the reaction bar selling over there. So you see me here say, and Brown Star Instagram, if you don't want to go follow the man on Instagram, you see me here say check out some of the man music of the man, some lit bumbucklead song over there. Man, I lie. If I'm lying, I'm dying. You see me here say, yeah. I don't know, follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. I charge 10k followers over there, so big up on yourself. Guyana, we have a next version of our phone right now. But them say, Mafia rifle up. I think we shouldn't even tell you now. That's something. I'm out.